I'm Virginia McGathey here on the floor at the CME Group, reporting on the livestock market. Today, cattle was a little lower. There was a little profit taking coming in, and they may have a little trouble moving higher from here, but they're still holding on to the gains of all of September. I think that looks really good. That's a positive to hang on to. Outside markets could play a bigger role into the market, but certainly starting the fourth quarter looks very, very good for cattle and for beef prices. A little bit quiet right now, nothing in the cash market yet, but we're holding on, perhaps maybe even a little bit later in the week that we'll get something coming in. The feeders fell a little bit more than we expected. I think that they just slipped there. It was a pullback from yesterday's gains, but they're still staying within the channel, and they are just as high as the live cattle markets, generally speaking. But we know that as the market has moved up this way, it's going to offer a little more volatility to the market. But there isn't really much support from this cash market, and perhaps that we're starting to consolidate these prices for the live cattle and for the feeders. So we're going to look at that closely. One of the things that's helping the market as well is the hogs. So the hogs slipped a little bit, but that was a little market correction. We expected that was going to happen. I think generally that the bearish trend is over. The last 2-week rally kind of created an environment that would increase volatility for hogs. So we expect that there might be a little bit more choppy back and forth. Today we got a little bit of a pullback, but overall the market's kind of strong. So the front month and the deferred months have a little bit wider of a divergence in their spreads. So that's something to say that a lot of traders are kind of unsure as to which way to go. But for now, the market's relatively strong and holding on to everything we have. It's a quieter day overall. We're waiting for a little more cash market, cash hogs, cash cattle later in the week, and I think that might give rise to a little bit more of a direction of which way we're going to go. That's all from the floor at the CME Group here in Chicago. I'm Virginia McGathey.